Hi, welcome. Welcome to my Conscious Healing Energy Tarot channel. I'm She, guys. Last week, I gotta tell you, I am not gonna sugarcoat it. It was rough. It was emotionally rough. It was topsy turvy. I woke up Friday. I could not get out of the bed. I could not get out of bed. I had the luxury of staying in the bed, and that's what I did. Hopefully, the week coming up, the week of April 8th, we have April 11th, 4/11 in the week next week. This is Saturday. I'm doing this reading Saturday night. I'm hoping to find everyone recovering from last week. I feel a little better. No, I'm going to say I feel a lot better because if I didn't, I would not be able to visit this channel with you tonight and do this reading because I really felt all day I got to do this energy reading for next week today. And I don't know why I was being pulled by the spirits. I meditated earlier today and my meditation kept calling me to do this and I kept putting it off. So now here I am, and we're going to just jump right into it because it has been an energy draining first week of April. The healing energy we're using is a Reiki symbol, one of the three major Reiki energy symbols, Seihiki. Seihiki, and this one is a stone that I also use for my crown chakra. Excuse me. So it's balance and harmony. I use it to energize the cards. I put the intent in. I did a little shuffle earlier, and I'm going to shuffle some more here in a moment. I also wanted to talk about the crown chakra. The crown chakra is the top of the head. It is our spiritual connection. It depends on what your religious practice is. It could be what we call your divine connection. It is usually a purple color when it's emanating from the top of our crown. This one has white because I also like to blend in clarity with that purple. It moves from the actual top of the crown of the head, and just above the head is that energy. It's very powerful energy. So I'm going to go ahead on and start shuffling these cards. I have carpal tunnel, so I haven't been able to really, especially with these cards, they're the very strong stock. They are made very sturdy, and I love that about these cards. So, my carpal tunnel, I've been, being a energy healer, I have been working on myself. At night, I do wear the brace. So when I'm sleeping, I'm not bending my hand, and it's my right hand in the wrong place to cause the pain to move up my arm, and it can be very painful. I didn't know that carpal tunnel could be such a painful experience, but it came and set in. All of a sudden, my fingers felt numb, and we just had this card. My fingers felt numb, and I'm going to continue to shuffle because I was kind of playing around with the cards. I wasn't really doing the shuffle, so I'm going to continue to shuffle and see what we get. So, being a Reiki master, I do Reiki on myself, and it's been working on my carpal tunnel. The intent has been set. We're talking about balance and harmony. So we're going to see what the cards, the spirits, and the oracle, and the spirits of the shaman has to say for us next week about balance and harmony. Seihiki also, in using for energy healing, it's used for body ailments such as communication. If you have throat problems, understand next week coming up is Cancer Awareness Week for the head, throat, neck area. Seihiki can send energy to help heal that area, anything in the head area, just kind of like an overall balanced part of our body. It's also used for weight loss, to send energy for weight loss. And the cards are being a little stubborn. Come on. Do you have a message for us? Or just had a bunch of cards fall out. That's a lot of messaging. We're going to keep going. There's a message in here. I feel it coming. Dear Oracle, we're going to go with that card. I felt it move under my finger, so we're going to go with that card. I did an extra shuffle to make sure. Wow. The Ancient Ones. Very powerful card, especially in this deck when we're talking about the Ancient Ones. We're talking, the deck is the Mystical Shaman Oracle. That's a very powerful card. This is the first card of the deck. That card is very, very strong. It's emanating. The spirits are really coming from that card. I feel it very, very strongly here. Give me a minute, guys. The Ancient Ones. Very powerful. Beautiful. That's what I was feeling in those cards. Okay. The essence of the Ancient Ones are the shamans of old who defeat death and escape from the tyranny of time. The Ancient Ones once walked the earth just like we do, in the flesh and bone. Now they reside in the infinity, and they counsel us after we say yes to our calling. They are available to help us attain our full realization. I'm going to refer to a biblical verse where they talk about when you hear the call. There was a person in the Bible who talked about being called. Several of them actually, but there's one specific passage in there, and it was, yes, Lord. So when you are called, you ask, yes, I'm here, I'm listening. I heard my name. I was in a store one day shopping, and I'm moving around, and I run into some friends, and we greet each other, and we're like saying hello, and all of a sudden I hear my name, and I look around, I stop, and I'm like, yes, yes, and they're looking at me like, what's going on with you? And I'm, looking for the person who just called my name, And I said, I just heard my name. And they said, oh, really? I was like, okay, I'm going to keep going with this conversation because I'm hearing things that they're not hearing. So we'll let it go unless someone shows up that I don't see at the present moment. And then it happened again. I heard it in my sleep. I heard my name being called. And for a while there, I thought I'm having hallucinations. I'm hearing things. And then I remembered my spirit said to me in a dream, came to me 3 times. And I kept sending it away. And on the third time, after twice sending it away, he said, can we talk? Can I at least show you? And I said yes. And I had a spiritual awakening. But that's another long story. So we'll keep going. So when you hear a call, ask yes or say yes or ask questions and they will be answered. The ancient ones, when they are around you, when they are protecting you, they are inviting you to reach to the future to help birth a new destiny for the earth. Go ahead, find out who you are becoming 10,000 years from now. If you accept the invitation, great power and blessings will come your way and allow you to craft a new destiny for yourself. So do not hesitate to bite off more than you can chew, become more than you feel you could become. You have unlimited spiritual resources available right now. And so that's for all of us who are watching this video, who are tapping into this energy, who's hearing this song right now, this vibration of the energy. We have Say Hickey helping us win this powerful energy that is calling us. Say Hickey is saying, we will help you balance and bring harmony so you can sing and dance along with these ancient ones. It is a beautiful card. We have a beautiful week ahead of us, and I hope you embrace it wholeheartedly. And when you hear the call this week, dance, sing, jump, scream, and say yes, because the blessings, the bounty, the abundance, the miracle, the magic is here. So wrap yourself up in these ancient ones and enjoy, because it is beautiful. I love to hear if you have those moments this week or beyond, because this isn't just for this week. This is something that will last, as it said, 10,000 years or more. Namaste.